Of course, I also forgot to say, beautiful riding weather. Mama Kitu, my host, was telling me, no, it's nice and cool now because we're in the rainy season. You know, when normally Maun can get, I think, swelteringly hot. So that's been really nice. I'll never use the aircon even, because the temperature's been fine. Donkey alert, something alert. So yeah, it's been cool, but of course, you know, yesterday there was rain on and off. It can rain any time, so I was quite grateful waking up this morning to see kind of nothing, just and it's dry, which means hasn't been rain, and the clouds don't look too threatening. So let's keep fingers crossed, prayers that we have good riding weather.